guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Heather. Today I'm gonna keep it real with you. Yeah, somebody triggered me today. Actually yesterday, but video's coming out then. So I'm gonna keep my salty stuff. I'm trying not to curse. I think every video of mine I get demonetized, but at least I'm real. Like, I'd rather be transparent. Anyway, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Comment to be interested. Like, if you guys want to win the giveaways, I don't do, oh, press on this link and this link and this link. No, just subscribe to my channel and get involved with the community. Like, I wanted to make this a support group for us to know each other and, you know, make friends and be close, because especially in the time of quarantine, it sucks to be by yourself and alone and you lose your shit. So comment, let me get to know you and all of that, and you automatically in the giveaways. And I will be releasing July's giveaway winner when I finish getting a hold of them and talking to them, because they will always know before everybody else does. That's just how I roll. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys know why I'm salty. Okay, so everybody who has a medical disease out there, a medical issue, a mental health issue, I don't care. This video is for you. To all the people that judge us, oh, homie, this is so for you, bro. Okay. People see me and always say, you don't look like you have scleroderma. Last time I checked, that wasn't a special look, but okay. You don't look like you're sick. You don't look like you have autoimmune. You don't look like you have this. Well, bitch, please. Yep, demonetized just there. Sorry, guys, couldn't hold out a sentence. Listen to me. Unless you step a mile in my damn shoes, shut the hell up. You are not to judge me. You are not to judge anyone else around you, because you don't know them. You don't know anything but your little bubble. So if you're healthy and you're all good and you do whatever, dude, handle you, worry about you. Nobody needs your negativity. People like us who go through medical diseases, who go through mental health diseases, we don't need your damn judgment. We go through enough crap. So listen, I'm going to be transparent. I'm going to name off some of the things that I have on my medical chart. And let you guys know the real deal. See, I'm sick and tired of people judging me based on how I look. Yes, I'm 34 years old. Yes, I know I am young. Yes, I know I do not look sick. Good for you. Unless you see my organs, you can't see shit. A disability, guys, is not just you can't walk or you don't have whatever limbs, or people think it's just visual. Bro, it is not just visual. And I mean, yes, when I was younger, because I didn't know any better, because I mean, I was young, I had no idea what disabilities. I had no idea about health conditions, but I never judged people. I never said, oh, you're full of crap, or oh, you're lying, or oh, whatever. Dude, you were diagnosed. You have a disability, or doesn't matter, disability or not. You have a medical condition of any kind. What are you going to say? You know more than a doctor? Are you going to honestly say, oh, because I don't look like I have scleroderma or lupus, or I have other freaking back issues, which I'm going to name everything off to you today. You're going to tell me because I don't look like the typical person that's, you know, frail and whatever, that I don't have my shit. Really? Really? Unless assholeism is an actual disease, then honey, shut up. Because you got that down. You got a disease. Douchebagness is a disease, apparently, because you got it, bro. I am tired of people judging me. It took me 9 rheumatologists, guys, to be even diagnosed with an autoimmune that the blood work on every 9 times I was tested showed positive. But because however I look, they're going to tell me, oh, it must be a false positive. 9 times, bro? Really? Seriously. Or people with diabetes. Listen, there's so many misconceptions of people saying people, you know, because of their eating, they ended up with diabetes. First of all, that's wrong. Certain type of diabetes you could be born with. What are you going to tell me? You ate a cheeseburger up in the womb? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. People are so naive. Yes, if people do not control their eating, they can make their diabetes worse. And when it comes to type 2, I think that's the right one, that it is to do with your eating, and it does have to do with other things. But listen, food is addiction. And my doctors even told me that sugar is actually harder to get off of than most drugs. Like, that's real. Same with caffeine. We all know about those caffeine headaches when you don't drink your coffee. This shit's the struggle. Trust me, I had to give it up for about 1.5 years because my esophagus. Yes, I went back to it. Don't judge me. I like my coffee. So if I can find a way, I find a way. But I'm tired of judgmental people. And I know there's people out there that are getting depressed because of how people treat them. And I was one of them until I learned to say F you. You gotta learn to say that to people. It feels great when you do it. So F you to the judgmental people because I don't like you and I ain't gonna deal with you. Because God forbid one day something happens to you. You're gonna remember this video that you saw. And you're gonna be like, wow, I was a judgmental prick. Yes, you were, boo. Yes, you were. Because I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna name things off to you guys. Listen, I busted my ass and worked hard my entire life, working 2 jobs, raising kids by myself. I did everything I possibly could, no matter how much pain I was in, because I'm a fighter and I'm a survivor and I don't give up. I'm a strong ass person. God gave me this life for a reason. I'm gonna freaking utilize it. First of all, I do have, I'm trying to not tangle my words. I have 2 disorders in one, like migraines and mixed migraine syndrome. I don't know, whatever. I have that. Optic nerve drusen. Can you guys see it? Optic nerve drusen. I have, I can't see it backwards, guys. Facet arthritis lumbar region. Chronic psoriatic, I'm going to screw that up, joint pain. Chronic mixed headache syndrome, that's what it's called. And migraine was here. So I'm going to show you guys these few. Scroll down, woman. Here. Oh, it's just, the list is long, guys. And this is just one doctor's office list. They have fibromyalgia on here, but I don't have that. I was misdiagnosed. Listen, there's no test for fibromyalgia. They touch pressure points and they say you have fibromyalgia. Well, they did that to me, and instead of them using their common sense and following my symptoms, I have small fiber neuropathy. They did a biopsy, which is a biopsy on your right wrist and a biopsy on your left ankle. They send it to the Mayo Clinic. They tell you if you have it or not, and I have a strong positive. I did a video on that. I have subject visual disturbance of the right eye. I'm disturbed everywhere. Please, ain't just right eye. I have gallbladder, liver issues. They have fancy words for that. Raynaud's phenomenon. More liver issues. Oh, I have a bladder disease thing. Crap, what is it called? I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Some of you guys anyway. I forgot what it's called. I have irritable bowel syndrome. Okay, they put varicose veins of leg with complications. Yeah, my vein went flat and my blood stopped flowing. That's past complication, bro. They had to reroute my veins, and I had 9 clots. Diffuse scleroderma. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. Diffuse. And they put it in 2018, but that was just my primary that put it in. It was my actual rheumatologist who diagnosed me 2 years prior. She just didn't put it in the fucking list. Sarcoidosis. Yeah, that's a whole hot mess. Gastrophobic disease. I can't say it. I'm going to show it to you guys. This one. Yeah. It's gastroesophageal reflux disease with esophagitis. Daily I have that, guys. It's not once. That's why they put in their disease, because I have it frequently. History of the liver infection and gallbladder, which finds out now because I almost died. Lactose intolerant adults. Idiopathic small fiber sensory neuropathy. That's a tongue twister. Myofascial pain syndrome. Iron deficiency anemia secondary to inadequate absorption. Facet arthritis of the cervical region, spine. First one, my back is fucked up, guys. I don't know if you heard like about 5 things wrong with my back so far. Cervicogenic migraines, cervical spondylitis, which is what my son has. It's part of an autoimmune. Sjogren's. Hold on, that was just health summary. I have to go to current issues. They have different shit in different spots. It's annoying. Yeah, my whole back is all messed up. This is all about my back right now. More autoimmune, bladder pain, shit. Costochondritis. I don't know if any of you guys have it or have had it. Costochondritis. I have that all the time. Doesn't go away. Thank you, autoimmune. You're a douche. Listen, people, just because, I think that's more than enough for you guys to hear. Just because I handle myself well and I'm strong doesn't mean I'm not sick. I'm just not weak. I'm not a weak person. And I'm not saying because you can't handle certain things or things are harder or whatever that you're weak. No, it's not what I'm saying at all. I'm just saying that I go through so much and all I can do is suck it the fuck up. Yeah, there are days where I have to go to the emergency room and I'm forced to go. I don't like to go to the emergency rooms because they ignore autoimmune patients. And all you people out there know that for a fact. We get ignored all the time. I get told that, oh, it's just because I want pain meds. Boo, I have a medical marijuana license and I have pain meds. What the fuck would I come to the hospital for you? I got better shit than you do, bro. Really? Really? No, I want you to fix me. So I go to the hospital. But I'm tired of doctors just blowing me off just because they can't see the autoimmune. If you go to emergency room, they want to see cuts, broken bones, shit, things that they can see. You can't see an autoimmune. That's like seeing a ghost. Right? It's pretty much what it is. And an autoimmune disease is your body fighting itself. Essentially what it is. But I'm tired of judgmental people. I'm tired of people telling me I don't look a certain way. There is no freaking certain look, people. There absolutely isn't. And you're not there when I almost die. You're not there when I suffer. You're not there at any given point. So who the hell are you to tell me because I don't look a certain way? Or I could be lying. Or could my doctors aren't lying, guys. My blood tests aren't lying, bro. It's like they expect you to be weak, frail, like just waiting to die and whatever. Your misconception of autoimmune is sickening. And I'm tired of people getting judged. It ain't just me. It's millions of other people that get judged every damn day because of people like you who want to judge the shit out of people. Like, I'm done. I'm over it. I'm beyond over it. You don't know what we go through. Or for the people that have kids who still have to get up in agonizing fucking pain, which happens to me all the damn time. And demonetized because I use the F word. Shit happens. But I'm so sick and tired of people freaking judging the crap out of people who are not healthy, who have medical illnesses or even mental illnesses. You know how many times I've heard people say, oh, suck it up, you're fine. Oh, you're down and depressed for 6 months and you don't want to do anything, it's because you're lazy. Like, yeah, I'm sure there are people out there. We all know people out there. But there are people that actually genuinely have debilitating mental illness, debilitating anxiety, debilitating freaking depression. Just because you're mentally somewhat decent, even though you're a judgmental ass. So really, you're mentally fucked up. I'm just going to say that. Don't mean you can be putting judgment on anybody else. What I always tell people is worry about your damn self. Stop worrying about that person over there, that person over there, or that person over there. Just because you're bored with your life, go find somebody to hang out with. Go find a hobby, bro. Leave everyone else alone. Because what kind of person are you to put judgment on others, make them feel like crap? What, so you can feel superior, that you're high and mighty? What, because you feel crap about yourself? You want to take it out on somebody else, make you feel a little better, get a little boost? No. Because I sure as hell am not going to take it. Mind your business. You can't be there for somebody and be there positively and be there as a friend, be understanding and compassionate, then shut your damn mouth. Shut your damn door in your house and go sit on your couch by yourself, bro. Because I don't want to hear you. And I'm sure the people that you're talking shit to don't want to hear you either. So yeah, I made a video of this. I don't care. I don't. Because I'm tired of people judging me and putting me down and treating me like crap. That just gives me fuel to want to fight more. I'm tired of people being judgmental. That's great. You're healthy mentally and physically. That's great. But not everybody is. And I'm tired of people being judgmental. So mind your business. You got nothing nice to say, bro? Shut your face. Because I'm tired of it. And the rest of the community of people with diseases are tired of it. We struggle every day enough. We are harder on ourselves mentally than you could ever be. We always question if we're doing something right or if we're going to be bad parents or, you know, or our kid's going to suffer because of what we do. You have no idea what I go through in my mind. I put myself physically at strain just to make sure my kids are having a better life because I don't want my diseases to affect their life. So who the hell are you to judge me? What triggered this, guys, is because somebody emailed me and was talking crap. Yeah, I told them off. Please, you guys know me. But should I have? No, I probably should have just ignored it because they're tools and that's what they want is to get a rise out of you. But I'm tired of judgmental people. You don't know what I go through. You don't know the surgeries I've had or the times I've almost died or me dying in front of my kids from malnutrition, losing 86 pounds in 2 fucking months because my esophagus is shutting and my body's on freaking fire and nobody knows why. You have no idea what the hell I go through. So if you're a douche and you're watching this, shut the video off, go to your room, and think about what you did. Not even playing, boo. Because you're pissing me off. And I'm sure there's many people out there watching this, and they can relate. And you know what? I'm sticking up for every damn single one of them. Because we're tired of your bullshit. We're tired of being treated like crap. We're tired of being ignored by doctors and nurses and other people. I'm not saying all of them are like that. Absolutely not. Because I do have some great doctors. But I've also come across some very shitty ones that are judgmental. Same with nurses. Same with random fucking people on the street. I went to my yoga class last time. What was it, like, before quarantine? And some lady was like, oh, you look perfectly great. Thanks. Tell that to my insides, honey. Really? Really? There's some days where I just blow it off, and there's some days that I'm going to freaking scream and lose my shit. And I got to think to myself, Heather, you don't want to go to jail, girl. Going to jail, those aren't your colors. You're not going to have a good time. It might be a little peaceful for a little bit, but you're going to be bored. So I just stay to myself, and I try to keep my mouth shut until today. And hopefully people realize that you can't necessarily see a disability. You cannot necessarily see diseases. But don't judge somebody until you walk in their shoes. Because you have no idea what they go through. They only show you what they want to show you. Just like on videos. You see what YouTubers and fucking famous people and whatever else want you to see. You don't know everybody's life. You don't know what they go through. You don't know what happens. So don't freaking judge. Treat people the way you would want to be treated. If you don't want to be judged, don't judge others. Because karma is a bitch. And you know how many people I've seen cry and whine about, oh, I'm such a good person, but something bad happened to me. Well, girl, you weren't a great person. Because I was there and I know the type of person you were. So. But if you expect someone to be respectful, caring, loving, understanding towards you, then give it to other people. Because if you don't then don't expect it back. That's all I have to say, guys. I'm out. I complained for 20 minutes. Have a good day, all. God bless. Stay safe. Please have a pain-free day if possible. I know today's a really bad day. We have a tropical storm, and I'm in a lot of pain, and I'm thinking osteoarthritis. But I hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy, guys, and ignore the haters. Later.